All right, so what I've got here was I had a crank no start, and little backstory is I bought this truck non-running, and the injectors were removed. I included these injectors plus the old injectors, so I put brand new injectors in it, and honestly didn't even pay much attention to these oil galley plugs right there, but that one was missing. Didn't realize it until yesterday. I hooked up my little scanner, this little snap-on MT25. I think it's the MT25. Anyway, it gave me codes for cylinder 2 and 4. I think it was low to high open or high to low open or something like that. And so I thought, well, it's probably a bad wire. So I thought, okay, I'm going to do a continuity test and check that out. So pulled the valve cover gasket and did my continuity check. Everything looked good. And I knew that these oil rail plugs existed. My next step was to make sure they were tight. And I realized, well, one was missing completely. And how I missed it, I don't know. Did it fall out? Not likely. The previous owner probably removed it, never reinstalled it, just like the injectors. Never reinstalled the injectors. All the valve cover bolts were missing. So that's where I'm at with this thing. I'm gonna get ready to reinstall the valve cover. Not knowing this, I had low fuel pressure, 0 to be exact, and I replaced the fuel pump with a Ford OEM lift pump, 0 psi. And I'm like thinking to myself, okay, now what? Pressure regulator. So I replaced this whole entire assembly right here. That's a brand new fuel bowl with the regulator, heater, whole shooting match. It's like a $400 to $600 unit right there. That's a Ford OEM fuel bowl with all of its components. Still nothing. However, this time I'm actually building pressure up to about 30 psi, and then it drops right off. So I'm thinking, okay, I'm on the right track. And that's when I brought out that little snap-on scanner. Just thought I'd run it, see if there were some codes. Tells me there's a problem with number 2 and 4 cylinder. Do the research, look into do the continuity test. Everything looks good, and bam, that's when I see that little bolt's missing. So getting ready to put the valve cover back on, and I think that's going to fix my low oil pressure and low fuel pressure issue. But I'll know here in an hour or so.